ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ የተከበራችሁ የቻናሌ ተከታዮች ዛሬ ማሳያችሁ እንዴት ተምብኔል ማዘጋጀት እንደምችሉ ነው። Hello my channel followers. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a thumbnail. So I'm using Adobe Photoshop and we'll open the photo file that we want to edit. Photo file open እናደርግና እንከፍትና ኤዲት እንዴት ማድረግ እንደምንችል አሳያችኋለሁ ማለት ነው። ተከታተሉ። So I have opened the file survival. Now I'm going to edit this. So እዚህ ጋር unlock ማድረግ አለብን. We have to unlock here the entire image. So I feel like I have to insert text. So I will click T here. So I will drag አደርጋለሁ ቲያን ከመረጥኩኝ በኋላ የምፈልገውን ፋይል እዚህ ጋር ጽፋለሁ ማለት ነው። Survival. By the way, you need to have good graphics performed computer. ጥሩ የሆነ graphics ያለው ኮምፒውተር ያስፈልጋችኋል። አሁን እንዳያችሁት slow እያደረገ እንዳያስቸግራችሁ ማለት ነው። Okay. So I feel like I want to type some more in Amharic. Okay. ስለዚህ ወርድ ላይ ጽፌ መጥቻለሁ ማለት ነው። I have written the file in the word. Click here and use some fonts. Okay. እዚህ ጋር ፎንቶችን በመፈልጉት ልክ መጻፍ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር so I have copy pasted the Amharic version. I'll put it here. The spacing is too much, so I'll decrease the spacing. 10 is enough. The space 36 is enough. Okay. I'll select this one and decrease. Ah, 30 is perfect. Okay. Make sure that it is bold and visible. Bring it here. I guess I'll delete the rest so that it fits for my screen. Okay, I'll resize it until it fits. I will move this back. You have to select the specific part, okay, if you want to move it. So again, Control T. Now I will click this for uniform and a suitable largening. Okay. So it's not too visible, so I will choose a different color and also the spacing, it's not enough. I will decrease it. It's too much. 38 is too close. This is perfect. So I will choose a color. You can find color here. Yep, it changed. Okay, this is where I want to put it. I will bring my logo. So this is how you edit your channel or your thumbnail. If you wanna do something, cut, crop, area, whatever you want. So I have opened my logo. I have already prepared this one earlier. I will select this and move it to where I want to put it. የምፈልግበት ቦታ ወስጄ ጥላታለሁ ማለት ነው። Yes. So I'll resize it. Control T again. Oops. It is perfect. It is really perfect. So I'll bring another file. I have like and subscribe over here. You guys, if you wanna do, you can do it some other ways. You know, I like to put my like and subscribe in the thumbnail, so I'll resize this in suitable way, suitable and visible way. I'm planning to put it over here in the right, in the canvas. Yep, I guess it's nice. And let me reduce it a little to make it center. Yeah, this is how I want it. And as you know, if I like good thing, so I would move this back. I'll save it. This is how I save the project. Save as again as a JPG format. I'll click here JPG. Sorry. So it's saved. I'll click at maximum. So this is how you edit in the Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. እንደዚህ ነው ኤዲት የምታደርጉት። እንግዲህ እንደፈለጋችሁ ኤዲት ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። ሶ ታምብኔላችሁን እንዴት ፖስት ማድረግ እንደምትችሉ ደግሞ ዩቲዩብ ላይ ያሳያችኋለሁ ማለት ነው። አሁን ፖስት ማድረገው ነው። So next I'm going to show you how you can post this in your thumbnail. Thank you for staying with me. Let's go to YouTube now.